Welcome to my channel, All Things Skincare. We are going to learn about trending products. A few things that are really trending right now: CBD oil, which I'm sure a lot of you have heard of, and microneedling. They're little needles that actually penetrate your skin. So I am now a fan of the CBD oil, and I have decided that I'm not as much of a fan of microneedling. That's not really for me. Surprise! I thought I would start off my Sunday with a sheet mask and share my reviews with you. This one is meant to clear your skin and refine your pores. This is quite funny because I've never done this before and it's a little bit challenging to talk in, but I'm actually enjoying it. We'll talk about beauty from within with healthy eating habits. Welcome to my kitchen. We are going to make a green smoothie and a berry smoothie. So it's going to have ingredients and foods that are going to promote healthy skin. So, two really good smoothies to promote healthy skin, and this way you get a nice glow minus the sun damage.
So we are going to start with our romaine lettuce. A few things that I wanted to share about the romaine. It has what is called a beta carotene, and you might be asking or wondering, what is beta carotene? And it's actually a pigment that's found in your fruit and your vegetables that is a precursor to your vitamin A. And another word for vitamin A is retinol. So when we consume foods that have beta carotene, our body changes that vitamin A into a natural source of retinol. So we're taking care of our fine lines and wrinkles with our beta carotene. Another thing that I like to talk about is healthy eating habits, because of course what we put into our body is going to come through our skin. So what are some of your favorite foods that you would consider healthy foods?
I don't think I have healthy foods, if I'm being honest, in New Mexico.
Favorite good for you food?
Spinach.
Okay.
Or blueberries.
Health food smoothies, kale and spinach smoothies. Okay. On my skin glows.
So peppers, green, yellow, or red? Okay, all of them. Oh wow, so healthy. Okay, so I am trying this new Pavita, I think is what it's called. And it's apple cider, turmeric, kombucha. So I'm going to give this a try. I'm thinking it'll be better than swallowing a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It's very tart. You can taste the vinegar, but better than a tablespoon. I like the Granny Smith apples because they have a nice tart flavor, a little bit sour, more sour than sweet.
Good fruit. I love smoothies, and just eating fruit when I come home, I crave it. And it's spinach, strawberries, pitaya. Yeah, dragon fruit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, frozen dragon fruit, mango, and pineapple.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
We'll share product reviews. and of course lifestyle.
So here we are at the Jemez Mountains, and this is home for me, so welcome home. I'm visiting from California, and we're going to enjoy the hot springs. Okay, so a different way that I've drank tea before. So here we go. Coconut milk tea. Different. A decent amount of sugar. Not too bad. So, coconut milk tea in Seattle. So we are at the end of our Seattle trip, but we get to begin our coastal road trip. But before we do that, I wanted to make sure I share a few tips with you for skincare while you are traveling. And the most important thing is make sure you're staying hydrated, especially if you're getting on a plane for an extended period of time. Make sure you're staying hydrated. And then my routine for when I'm traveling is very simple. Make sure I have a cleanser, my moisturizer, and my sunscreen. A sheet mask is also nice. I wouldn't bring too much of anything else because who knows if you're really going to use it. You're going to be out and about doing all your fun stuff. So simple routine, cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Maybe a sheet mask. And then the last thing that I would recommend is just make sure you have some fun.
So please join me, share your beauty secrets and skincare tips, and let's get to know each other along the way.